This is so much fun. Oh, I gotta pull one here, guys. It was a really small one. I didn't want to risk anything here. Guys, we arrived in paradise. Look at this location. I mean, this looks like out of a movie. And yeah, there is snow, guys. It is not too cold up here yet. We're gonna go up further. It started to rise up to the mountain. It was like, I think it was 9 degrees. And then it dropped to 6 degrees. Now we are at 7 degrees, as you can see here in Switzerland. There you see it, 7 degrees. But I mean, guys, this looks so cool here. There's like a small hut here as well. Look at this though. Oh guys, I'm so happy when I'm on my bike. Just unreal. Gotta be careful here. Like, as you can see, the street is wet. It is really cold. Now we are at 4 degrees already. So we went from 7 degrees to 4 degrees. And like, I'm happy to be out of this out of these wet streets. Man, what are they doing? What the? So the question is, should we actually go up here, or we can actually go down there? That is the question. Wait, I have an idea. I'm gonna go the secret road. I'm gonna take the secret road. I'm gonna show you the secret road, which is much more beautiful. And I don't want to ride the other road because I think it's gonna be wet, really wet at many places and dangerous. And it's just getting colder and colder the further I go up. And we are on an MT-09, so yeah, we gotta be careful. Like, this thing is not made for winter. So now we turn to the left. I hate these wet spots, I hate them. It's the worst thing. Also, the whole bike gets dirty because of them, which is kind of annoying. So I'm gonna check here. No, actually, guys, I'm not gonna go up here. Like, should we? Let's go up a little bit. Oh yeah, no, here it's fine to ride. Here it's actually beautiful. Wow, this view. Wow, this view though. I showed you this spot before on an Insta video, but yeah, I mean, this is just beautiful. Quickly had to show you this view though. So we're gonna, I know a cool road actually up here. There is a lot of snow though. Wow, there's a ton of snow. It's 4 degrees now, but it's also getting much colder. I have the completely wrong gear on for this, guys. Completely the wrong gear. It looks so cool though. Like, it's so beautiful, it's unreal. I'm the only biker I've seen so far. It looks so beautiful. Look at this snowman here. It is so beautiful. Kinda need to focus here. Oh, I want to pull a quick wheelie here. quick one. Oh, I had to I had to pull a quick small wheelie at this beautiful location here. I mean, it looks so unreal. So actually, should we explore a little bit up here? Let's go explore a little bit, guys. I know this way down here, but let's explore. There's a dog here as well. What is this dog doing here? Are we still recording, by the way? Please tell me. Yes, we are. There's a dog. So cute. I guess he likes the snow. I guess he actually likes the snow. Let's go up as far as we can. Man, this is crazy. There's so much snow here, guys. There's so much snow up here. This is so much fun. Oh, I gotta pull one here, guys. It was a really small one. I didn't want to risk anything here. Oh, wait. There's an absolutely beautiful spot that I found here, somewhere here, last time. So let me try to find this. Kinda want to show you. Where are we here though? Wait, I've never been up here. Where are we? It's so fun because the streets are like completely empty here. Like, who is riding up here? It's a Sunday. Wow, look at the snow. This looks unreal. What? Wait, we cannot go up further than this. So this is the limit. Wait, let me show you this. Oh, this was a lot of fun. Look at this. Wow, guys, I need to take a break here. Like, we cannot go up any further. The snow is also really good. Oops, I didn't want to hit that actually. That is gonna kind of trying to cool down the bike, I guess. Snow is so good here. Let me see how far I can actually throw this. Well, that was bad. That was bad though. So there are a lot of people that probably go hike up here, or there are some footprints here. So someone probably went up here. Woo! Alright guys. So we are gonna go down here again. This is gonna be a lot of fun though. This is gonna be a fun ride. Engine is still warm, lovely. I like to see that. It's 3 degrees up here, guys. How do I get out of here? I mean, it looks so beautiful though. It was absolutely worth it. Go up here. Completely worth it for these views. For this view, I mean. Wow, this is so stunning, guys. I'm not sure how it will look on the camera, but I'm not gonna lie, in real life this looks like I'm in a movie right now. It's crazy. It looks unreal, guys. Like, wait, I need to quickly take a break here again. This looks so unreal. I need to make a quick picture here as well. This looks insane.